So Microsoft is offering a free vouchers for the participating the challenges webinars. So I would like to tell you that how I achieved the free vouchers. Till now I have achieved two free voucher. One I have redeemed it earlier, and now second voucher I will redeem it in the front of you. The first voucher I got free when I attended 2 days conference, Microsoft Analytical Community Conference, organized by Amit sir. So with the help of that, um, I have I have redeemed the voucher and appeared for DP 600. So you can see the message here. After completing the challenge 2, there was a condition. So I got a free certification voucher. So I had an option to choose DP 600 and DP 700 as I'm a Power BI certified. PL 300 I have already given. So I was about to select one from both of these. So I have selected DP 600 and this voucher I had ready me here. So I can show you after ready me the voucher free one. I have appeared for the exam. Yeah. So this is my upcoming exam DP 600 free voucher. And now after attending the second event, the by the Microsoft itself, there was an AI skill fest there itself. There also I have completed the playlist. The condition was that one playlist need to be completed. I have completed 4 to 5. Due to that, I am qualified for the 3 second voucher. So I have received the mail here itself. Okay, so this voucher I will be redeeming in the front of you. So you can see here, I have got message also of completing the AI skill fest. I have got a badge also, and now I will redeem it. And you can see your step to redeem it, the free voucher here itself. So what I'll do, I will select the code from here and which exam I want to appear. I will select that one. So I want to appear for the AI transformation leader. Okay, you can see the cost of that exam. So I will schedule the exam here. Maybe I condition also that when we can schedule the exam. So the deadline is here itself is I must conduct the exam before the August 18. Okay. So now it's June, July, and August. So I will take the exam that will be on in the month of July itself. So I'm just putting my address here. So I have the voucher. So I will be putting that code, doing the payment. You can see here. So I will be conducting the test online. So I'm setting the preferred language. So after that, yeah, earlier also I have applied. So I have gone through all the documentation here itself, the condition, the code of conduct, and the certification agreement. So I'll just select the checkbox here itself. So here is the policies while applying the exam, and if you want to do cancellation also. So I'm selecting the language English. So my preferred language, yeah, my preferred time zone is yeah, Kolkata, Asian. Kolkata. So I will select the date. So I will be taking the exam in the next month, July. So I'm taking the exam on 15th. So I have a time here. So I'm in the morning. I'll just check more timings are available now. So I will just check the timing. So I will selecting here. So I will taking the time. That will be a 9:15. So I have here 13 slots. So I'm getting my exam. Now I'll check here down. Add to order. No, I don't want this there. So I'll go for proceed to checkout. So I have your voucher code or posting here. Apply. So you can see I have got that voucher to be free. So like this, I have already got voucher. So you can see here it's totally free. Why I chose air transformation? Because now more two events are going to one is running and second is going to come. That would be a locally. Okay, that is a global fabric day. Yeah. So there itself I will getting more two vouchers. So that time I will be taking the other exam that would be a DP 700 and DP 800 because in that sessions these two exam three exams are allowed. vouchers will be available. That will be a DP 600, DP 700, and DP 800. So that time in upcoming two events, I will be applying for the DP 700 and DP 800. So like this, you want more videos, then let me know for the free vouchers.